Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the challenges and solutions of working with very complex Excel files. Imagine the following situation. You have an Excel file which looks like this. It has multiple tables and the data is all over the place. Your job is to load it into the database. If it is just once-off operation, the easiest option just to edit the file manually. Or you can ask ChatGPT for assistance. But creating such a complex prompt is a very challenging task. Another option is consider hiring a programmer. This can be very time-consuming and expensive operation. On top of that, it's very easy to make a mistake, especially when working with hundreds of Excel files. Fortunately, there is an alternative solution for converting complex Excel files into a simpler format. In the latest version of advanced ETL processor, we have introduced block transformations. The way they work is very simple. The user opens Excel file, marks the data blocks with useful information. Each data block can be then individually transformed, filtered, edited, or rotated if necessary. The transformed data block are then combined together and written into one or multiple Excel files. Let me show you a practical example. Here we have Excel file which holds company data. It has multiple data blocks. One of them is date, another one is company name, addresses, and also vertical block with additional company information. Let's create very basic data block transformation and convert it into much simpler format which looks like this. Just one single row. First step we need to do, we need to create data block transformation by pressing plus. Let's call it example. Here we have a list of available data block steps. First step we need to create called mark data blocks. We select the source file, and start marking data blocks by clicking on relevant cells. Click plus, let's call it date. Name. Address. And company data. Company data is a vertical data block and we want to rotate it by 90 degrees. So we just select the data block we want to rotate, select, rotate 90 degrees. Next step is to write the data blocks into Excel file. So we click plus, click write Excel file, we'll open the template. The template holds the headers and start adding data blocks one by clicking plus. We need to shift it down. Adding name. Adding address. And adding rotated data block 1. Now we are ready to process the data. This can be done by pressing the green arrow. The steps executed from the left to the right. All done. Let's have a look at the data. Here is our result in Excel file. I hope you found this video useful. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and please also like this video. We will continue publishing new videos on the weekly basis. Thank you very much. Bye.